In order to add a profile on Netflix, go ahead and open up Netflix like you normally would. Now keep in mind that depending on what type of subscription you have, you may have a limited amount of profiles. So this one over here only allows us to have 5 profiles at a time. So that's why I have this plus button over here that says add profile, but if you don't see it, that likely means that you have reached the maximum amount of profiles that you can have on your Netflix account. But what you would need to do in that instance is delete a profile and then create a new one. So anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and select on add profile just like so, then go ahead and give it the name. Then you guys could select whether you want it to be a kid's profile or not, but that is 100% up to you. Then go ahead and press on save just like so. And if you want to go ahead and add like a profile picture and stuff like that, go ahead and select on manage profiles, then select on the pen icon right over here. And then you can go ahead and change like your personal information. You could also set up a pin if you don't want people to just go to your profile and stuff like that. So it really is up to you. So we can go ahead and adjust our profile picture, our name, etc. So you guys can really go ahead and have a ton of fun with this. So yeah, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on save just like so, and then you're good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.